What do you got, son?
Pretty sure it's a big GT, eh?
How many kilo?
Oh, no, it's big.
Where are you at? You're at the Badu Wharf, aren't you? He's called it.
That's 100 metres out.
It's 100 metres out. Out there. He's got an audience. Pressure's on. Look at the stance. It's all about the stance. Come on, this one's going on your YouTube channel. Damo vs Wild. Are you biting your lip? Yep, you're doing the lip bite. That's good. That's good. Do the lip bite. What pound line are you using? Just for the people out there in YouTube land.
50.
50. That's 5-0 or 1-5? What? How big's your rod? Is it a 3 kilo rod? It looks pretty thin. It looks like one of those junior ones.
It's only 7 kilos.
He reckons he might have hooked a barge. He's been here for a while. It's been 1 minute 22 seconds. He's sore already, fans. Oh well, while we're waiting, we're looking at the tide. The tide's down a bit. Got some sardines here working. Splish splashing, you can't see them. Are we getting closer? Gee, my battery's going to flat on this bloody one fish. We'll have to come back to you, YouTube.